How's it going? There's been a slight change in the plans for the bike. When I say a slight change, I mean a whole change. So I'm actually building the bike now for me. We found a deal on a brand new bike that's much better in Salt Lake City. And I'm already going up to Salt Lake later this month. So I'm just gonna pick it up and we're gonna do that. But this bike is going to be my bike now. Also, the reason we're starting in the shed today is I haven't done anything all day long. The driver's side tire on the Corvette is flat, so I need to pump that up before I go to work tomorrow. And I'll have to replace it eventually. I think when I go up to Price on Sunday night, I think I'll get a used tire then if I can find one in the size that I need. For some reason around here, even in Price, they don't carry the size of tire that's on my car right now. So they're gonna have to get a used one or a new one, or I'm gonna have to, I don't know, I'm gonna have to get a new tire some way or another. Since only the two rear match, maybe I'll go on Amazon and just pick the two cheapest ones to run temporarily and then have them mounted when I'm in Price. I'm gonna need something to do while I'm there anyway, so I can stone two birds at once while I'm there. I know it's a short video, but I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you tomorrow.